Hello everyone, welcome to Curries to Cakes. Today let's learn how to make this amazing smoothie with Moringa powder. First add oats in a blender and blend it to fine powder. Now add 1 ripe banana and 4 to 5 numbers of dates for sweetness. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, add almonds for protein and fat, and add 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Now add some water, approximately 200 ml. Blend all these ingredients to a smooth texture. I like chunks of nuts in my smoothie, so I didn't blend it to smooth. Pour the smoothie into a serving glass and have it immediately. Moringa being rich in vitamins and antioxidants, and the addition of nuts makes this smoothie a lactose-free energy drink. So yeah, enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe if you haven't. See you all next Saturday.